Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Budini. My name is Ilham Ardani with new 518015. In this opportunity, I will present my proposal for international economic workshop entitled Testing the Asymmetric Impact of Oil Price Shock on Indonesia Current Account Balance. First, in this study, we start from the observation that oil price remain one of the least predictable variable influencing global economic expansion and development. Fluctuation in oil price can transmit quickly across countries, affecting trade balance, inflation, and overall macroeconomic stability. Now, within this global context, Indonesia presents a particularly interesting case. Historically, Indonesia was an oil exporting country, but since early 2000, it has transitioned into a net oil importer. This structural shift makes Indonesia more vulnerable to increase in global oil prices, especially through its external sector, particularly the current account balance. Furthermore, existing literature shows that the impact of oil price on the current account balance is asymmetric. In other words, the increase in oil price tend to worsen in the current account more strongly than decrease in profit. This is especially relevant for oil importing countries like Indonesia. However, many studies still rely on assumption of symmetrical effects, meaning that they treat oil price increase and decrease as equal as if equal but opposite impact. This assumption may overlook important non-linearities in the relationship. Okay. This study aims to investigate the asymmetric impact of oil price shock on Indonesia current account balance. Specifically, the research objectives are to examine the long-run asymmetric relation between oil price in Indonesia current account balance, to analyze the impact of oil price shock varies across different quantiles of both oil price and current account balance distribution, to test the causal relationship between oil price and current account balance across different quantile level, and lastly, to provide policy recommendation for Indonesian policymaker based on the empirical findings. Okay, the data in this study employ quarterly data spanning at least 20 years. The data consists of oil price, current account balance, and other variables such as exchange rates and interest rate. The quantile Granger test, the quantile Granger causality test proposed by Troster 2018 will be used to identify the direction of causality between oil price and current account balance across different quantile level. And the primary methodology for this study is quantile on quantile regression approach developed by Sin and Zoom, which is current account serve as dependent variable and oil price as independent variable. To validate the KKR results, the average KKR slope coefficient will be combined with traditional quantile regression estimates. Okay, for expected contribution, there are several contribution. First, methodological contribution provide empirical evidence on asymmetric relationship between oil price and Indonesia current account balance, and identify specific quantile range where oil price shock exert the strongest influence on the current account balance. For literature, contribute to the limited literature on on asymmetric oil price current account balance relationship in Southeast Asian economies such as Indonesia. And lastly, offer policy recommendation for Indonesian authorities regarding energy diversification, exchange rate management, and external sector stabilization. Okay, that's all for my proposal presentation. Thank you.